This is ITBU Week 1, Part 5, and we're going to start talking about governance. So governance is the set of rules that determine or define or describe how the business is going to operate. Okay, and so every business needs a set of rules that explains things. So Sheena and her boss review the library organization chart, and her boss, Emily, realized there's more to learn about how the library is managed. It's not just the CEO and the reporting structure. We need to learn a little bit about governance, what rules the public library must play by, or governance in a college setting, what rules Durham College must play by, or if you're a private company, what are the rules? So they can be external rules like legislation or just the owner's rules. If it's a small company, what are the rules that are going to define how the business will operate? So a lot of businesses or organizations like a public library or a college or a school district, they're going to have something called a board that creates and approves the rules. Okay, and they also approve. This is what often will happen is an organization will have a board, and their responsibilities might include hiring or giving an evaluation of the CEO, the president, approving the budget, right? Setting the strategic plan, creating the strategic plan, approving the strategic plan, which determines what the goals are of the organization, and the policies and the procedures the policies that the organization is going to adapt that define how it runs. So through these slides on governance, I have a lot of links to examples so you see how this looks in a college or a library or somewhere else. So you understand what a board does and what their responsibilities are and how they're enshrined within the organization's documents. Okay, so you might have to, with Thorough Public Library, go back and take a look at your organization chart because they are an organization that has a board. So think maybe after you do the reading about where the board should be on your organization chart. And you might have to maybe adjust where she works. Okay, and if we're in class, we'll pause and chat about that here. Okay, I'm going to pause here and start the next video with slide number 28.